In this video, we will discuss recursion and binary search algorithm. So let's get started with what is recursion. Basically, recursion is a concept in computer programming where a function calls itself to solve a problem. In the context of data structures, recursion can be used to traverse or manipulate a complex data structure in a systematic manner. A real-life example of recursion can be illustrated using a library catalog. So let us say you want to find a book by its title. Now, the library catalog is a hierarchical data structure organized by author, title, and subject. To search for a book, you would start at the root of the catalog, that is the main pages, and recursively search through the subcategories until you find the desired book. So let's understand it using a simplified pseudocode for searching a library catalog. So in this example, search book is a recursive function that takes the title of book and a catalog as input. The function first checks if the title of the current catalog matches the input. If it does, it returns the catalog. Otherwise, it recursively calls itself on each subcategory of the current catalog until it finds the book or runs out of the subcategory. If the book is not found, the function returns none. So this is the basic example of recursion, but it demonstrates how recursion can be used to systematically traverse a complex data structure like a library catalog. So let's understand binary search now. Now, this binary search is a search algorithm used to find a specific value within a sorted array or list. It's an efficient search technique because it reduces the search space by half with each iteration, making it a O log n algorithm. A simple real-life example of binary search could be finding a date in a sorted calendar. Imagine you have a monthly calendar with the days of the month arranged in order. To find a specific date, you would start by looking at the middle of the month. If the target date is earlier than the middle day, you would repeat the process for the first half of the month. If the target date is later, you would repeat the process for the second half of the month, and you would continue this process until you find the target date or determine if it does not exist in the calendar. So let's take a simplified pseudocode example for the binary search. In this example, binary search is a recursive function that takes an array, a target value, and the low and high indices as input. The function first checks if the high indices is less than low indices, indicating that the target is not in an array. If the target is found, it returns its indices. If the target is greater than middle value, the function searches the right half of the array. Otherwise, it searches the left half. And this process continues until the target is found or the entire array has been searched. Now, this binary search is an efficient way to search for a specific value in a sorted array or list, as it reduces the search space by half of its iterations. Thank you.